unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Frequent hiccups can signal more than temporary irritation. Conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, or nervous system disorders, such as stroke, multiple sclerosis, or brain tumors, can cause persistent hiccups. Rarely, metabolic problems like kidney failure or infections are involved. If hiccups last over 48 hours, see a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.